With great humility, we announce the transition of our husband, father, and grandfather, Chief Dr. Livinus Azoro Onyaho Anyanwu, who passed to glory on the 29th of September 2013 after a very brief illness. Requiem Mass to be held on Friday 25th of October 2013 at the Holy Family Church, Oxlowland, Dagenham, Essex, RM9 5TX from 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Wake keeping follows immediately at Worship View Christian Center, 640 Ripple Road, Barking, IG11 0SR. He is survived by his wife, Lolo Josephine Ugobweze Anyanwu, 8 children, 3 stepchildren, and 23 grandchildren. Dr. Sir Chief Honorable Livinus Azoro Onyaho Anyanwu, we miss you dearly. May your gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Amen. Igbo Union UK and Ireland. Nnọkọ Omenala Ndị Igbo. A union that has been upholding Igbo tradition and culture far longer than every other Igbo organization in the whole world. We hold our meetings on the second Sunday of every month at Coco African Caribbean Restaurant, 3 Strood Green Road, Finsbury Park, N14 2QR at 6 p.m. Contacts: Mazi BK Ikenga, Chairman, 079 505 78505. Sir Robert Amadi, Secretary General, 079 765 72079. Biko Biano, ka anyị chịkọta aka kwalite omenala Igbo mmanụ.
MSN